Hello friends, my name is N.K. Mehta, MD and CEO of Secure Network Solutions. We have been protecting customers against cyber attacks for last 20 years. Today we are going to see what are the opportunities in cybersecurity domain due to this pandemic. Friends, today cybersecurity is being talked in the boardroom of the companies. Every company needs it. CTOs, CIOs, IT managers all are spending sleepless nights thinking how to protect their data from cyber attacks. As per a published report from Cyber Security Ventures, the cost of cyber crime in 2021 is estimated to be USD $6 trillion. Yes, you heard it right, USD 6 trillion. Now, this means companies have to invest heavily to safeguard themselves. This also means this is a huge opportunity for OEMs and partners alike. Let's look at top 5 opportunities in cybersecurity. So let's look at top 5 cybersecurity opportunities. Number 1, work from home secure connectivity solutions. This includes secure VPN, endpoint security like EDR, XDR, compliances, and data leakage prevention. So the focus is shifting from perimeter security to endpoint security. Number 2, cloud security. As more and more customers are migrating towards cloud, the single most worry for a CIO or CTO is the safety of their data. Though cloud providers provide some basic inherent security, but that's not enough. So a customer has to look into third-party cloud security solution providers. As a result, third-party security providers, third-party cloud security solution providers will see a huge boost in their earnings. Number 3, identity and access management solutions. As the data is moving towards cloud and employees are working from home, from remote locations, it's very important for a corporate to be sure that the right data is being accessed by right people and there is no identity theft. Recent data breaches in a large pizza giant or a large grocery delivery giant were all attributed to credentials loss. Hence, identity and access management solution is going to see a huge opportunity. Number 4, email security. 90% of the malware, ransomware, phishing attacks are still being delivered through email. Hence, email security was and still would be a huge opportunity. Number 5, mobile security. As more and more mobile apps are getting, downloaded by users are getting addicted to the power of mobile computing. As a result, mobile security is the latest and the fastest growing security opportunity. Well, these are my top 5 predictions. There would be a lot of other opportunities like SIM, SOAR, employee productivity monitoring tools, remote monitoring tools, and so on. Well, pandemic or no pandemic, cybersecurity opportunities are always going to be there. This is N.K. Mehta from Secure Network Solutions signing off for today. See you in the next video.